Hi friends, Suzanne here. I'm just popping by today to share that I have an online class featuring the Pansy Patch bundle. I'm so excited to share with attendees the card designs I created for this class. They are fresh, they are easy, and they are really fun to put together. The cost of this class is just the price of the bundle, which is already reduced by 10%. Plus all the applicable taxes and fees. This class ships anywhere in Canada, and you will pay your own provincial tax. By registering for this class with me, you'll receive your choice of a blends marker combo. You'll get all consumable supplies to make 6 cards with envelopes. You'll receive a card kit of the month. You'll also get an exclusive tutorial bundle that has amazing card designs to help you create with all of the other Stampin' Up products. Also, you will receive lifetime access to the classroom, which provides excellent, high-quality video tutorials. Plus, there's going to be lots of bonus material. So again, the Pansy Patch Online Class is $79.95. That's with shipping included, plus your provincial tax and GST. Here are some designs created by the folks at Stampin' Up. And I wanted to also include a picture of how you can use the dies to cut out some of the designer series paper images. You can add this to your online class if you wish for an additional $15.95. That's all for me today. Thanks so much for listening, and bye for now.